Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Tag Manager for cleaner US tracking, full guide step by step clearly. Go to the Google Tag Manager website. Click on the Start for Free button. Sign in with your Google account. Select Create Account. Enter your account name. Choose your country from the drop-down menu. Check the box to share data anonymously if you prefer. Click Continue. Set up a container name, typically your website name. Select Web as the target platform. Click Create. Review the terms of service and click Yes to accept. Copy the provided container code snippets. Paste the code into the header and body of your website. Once your website is set up, return to Google Tag Manager. Click on Add a new tag. Click on Tag Configuration. Choose the type of tag you want to create, such as Google Analytics. Set up your tag details, including your tracking ID. Next, click on Triggering. Select all pages to track all page views. Click Save to finalize your tag configuration. Look for the Submit button in the upper right corner. Add a version name and description for this configuration. Click Publish. Test your tag using the preview mode. Launch the preview and see your Tag Manager dashboard in a new tab. Navigate to your website to ensure your tag is firing correctly. Check the Google Tag Assistant to verify the installation. If everything looks good, you're successfully set up for cleaner tracking. Regularly check and update your tags as needed. Monitor your data in Google Analytics for insights. That's how to effectively register with Google Tag Manager for better tracking in the US. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.